What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Buzz. So today for you guys, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 reasons why you should go ahead and buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So this is kind of like a follow-up video from the video I did last week on 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus. So yeah, like I said, it's kind of like a follow-up video to, to divert your attention from that phone to the Ultra, because the Ultra is a mighty device. Anyway, before we start the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting, subscribing, turning their post notifications on, and liking the video, comment down below, and even sharing the video. I just want to say a big shout out to all of you guys. Thank you so much. If it wasn't for you guys, I won't be able to, pick up the courage to actually do these videos for you guys. But yeah, anyway, with that being said, let's get straight right into the video. So there's only one way to really describe the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a powerhouse of a deck of technology. If you could make a wish list of anything you want in a smartphone, it's pretty likely going to be the Galaxy S21 Ultra that ticks most of the boxes. I've broken down the key differences between the various Galaxy S21 models already. But the key spec of the S21 Ultra includes a Quad HD Plus 120Hz display measuring in at 6.8 inches, a Snapdragon 888 processor with either a 12 gig or a 18 gig of RAM, 5,000 milliamp battery, support for the S Pen, which is of course available separately, ultra wideband sharing, Wi-Fi 6E, and so much more. The second reason you should go ahead and buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is its dual telephoto camera. So, much like the Galaxy S20 Ultra, the Galaxy S21 Ultra features a 108 megapixel camera. It uses a newer camera sensor. That's not surprising, and neither is the 100x space zoom, which was also present in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. What's so surprising is how Samsung has approached the zoom feature this year, which looks to be the same as the Galaxy S20 Ultra in the maximum zoom length only. Last year's Galaxy S20 Ultra used a telephoto lens with a 4x zoom and a 10x hybrid zoom to achieve the 100x zoom, which had some real problems in the real world usage. Mainly you can zoom at 100 times in any scene, but unless you had really steady hands or a place to prop your phone up to make it very steady, it would be very, very shaky. It would be a very shaky mess, and it will virtually be an unusable footage or picture that you have. But the Galaxy S21 looks to change that, as Samsung has changed its approach. For the first time in a Samsung phone, there are going to be 2 telephoto lenses. Both are going to be 10 megapixel with dual pixel technology, and one support 3 times optical zoom, and the other supports 10 times optical zoom. Depending on the range you're zooming from, the camera automatically switches between lenses, and at the highest zoom level, it presumably uses both telephoto lens to achieve both better zoom. Adding a 10 megapixel zoom lens means that 100x max zoom should be better than the one last year on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So number 3 on the list is zoom lock. Both telephoto lenses on the Galaxy S21 Ultra also have optical image stabilization, which should also help with one of the biggest issues with very high level of zoom. Both telephoto lenses on the Galaxy S21 Ultra also have optical image stabilization, which should also help with one of the biggest issues with very high level of zoom. This was one of the biggest complaints with the last year's Galaxy S20 Ultra. At the highest level of zoom, it was shaky and it was just unusable file. With the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra though, Samsung aims to have solved this with the new zoom lock feature that uses AI to stabilize video and produce tripod-like stability. So 4th on my list is director's view, vlogging view, and 4K 60 frames recording. So every vlogger, videographer, and buddy creators will rejoice for this, as this free new features on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. That should make the best phone for the recording video on the go. First, all the 5 lenses, including the front-facing 40 megapixel camera with autofocus, all supports 4K 60 frames per second video recording, which combined with the other features in this section means you can get very creative without sacrificing quality. Second, the new director view feature is literally a dream come true for a director. Essentially, it allows you to see the view of each of the lens while you're shooting a video, and then switching between them without stopping the recording at all. So if you wanted to go from the ultra wide to the wide and then to one of the telephoto lenses while you're recording, you can do that without stopping the recording at all. So getting a live preview means that you can do better. You can have a better idea of what to expect when you obviously swap over from each camera depending on what you're recording at the time. Lastly, the vlogger view feature is one that allows you to capture those memorable moments. It allows you to capture what's happening in front of you while you're using any of the lens. So if you're, for example, if you're using a front-facing camera, you can also see what's going on behind you using the rear camera as well. I mean, we've seen this kind of technology before on several phones, but it's nothing new. But combined with the camera hardware on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and that 4K 60 frames per second video recording, you may be able to capture some incredible footage and incredible quality videos. And finally, the 5th reason is the Samsung Galaxy S Pen. Yes, I did say it right. The Samsung Galaxy S21 supports S Pen. The S Pen doesn't come with the device when you purchase it. You have to buy it separately, but you could get a case with the phone with the S Pen, and you can actually transfer the S Pen with the case so you can carry about with you. I mean, like I said, it doesn't come with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, but you can get a case alongside with it so you can store the pen in there as well. So you kind of have a note, but you don't, if that makes sense. And also, this S Pen is exclusively just to the S21 Ultra and not the rest of the Galaxy S21 range. The S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra is available as a standalone purchase, like I said to you guys, which with a case, or you can use the S Pen from the previous Galaxy Note range. You can also use any Wacom compatible stylus as well, giving you a range of stylus to pick from, and some of them also being cheaper than the S Pen as well. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also like the video, tell me down below and tell me what you thought about the video, and also what you guys have seen as well on these phones that could be a reason why you should pick it up. Comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.